test, microphone test with the Lens Go microphone. Nasa 1,600 siya. Microphone test 1, 2, 3. Microphone test 1, 2, 3. Microphone test 1, 2, 3. Sa left side 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Side 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Harapan 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So okay. Check, check, check. 1, 2, 3. Ganda. Lens Z. Phone holder with Yahatsu for microphone. Nandito ako sa Infomax. Tama, Infomax, no? So ito yung na-try ko, yung kay Joe. That is around 218 sa 1.8. So I want to buy this and I want to buy this. So dalawa. So malamang dalawa bilhin ko dito ngayon. So ito mga guys, so ito yung pera ko. Ito yung aking bibilin. So yung Ulanzi na phone rig minus 300 discount. Tama? Pwede ko ba i-share yun? Share ko na. Para pumunta kayo dito. Pero kailangan bumili kayo palagi ng marami, no? Para ma-discount kayo. Yung gusto ko sa mga stores, nagbibigay ng discount pag nalaman nilang customer ka nila palagi. Asa pa ba? Yung Ulanzi din na phone rig na may microphone mount na 1.8 minus 200 na lang. So total of 500 yung minus natin. Panalo. Thank you kay Infomax. Nila store. Yan. So nag-aalaga ng mga GoPro accessories ko. Saka din. Ayan. So ito yung kanilang mga accessories, no? Ano kaya itong isang to? GoPro adapter for Osmo Mobile. Okay. Daming rig. This is my parang nakakagigil. Gusto ko silang bilhin palagi. So video vlog check, I'm here for the Instax Mini Liplay launching. It's a brand new of para sa mini hybrid camera. So I heard lang na it's like a digital camera but it can print photos in a flash. So let's check it out, yung ano ba talaga to, no? So ito, first thing ko gagamitin itong microphone mount na to. Here's the event. Tapos lang ng presentation nila about the Instax Mini Liplay. So, meron kami nga photo challenge. I can take 9 photos. You can submit it with all the nano may prize. So, I'm not sure kung magamitin pa namin yung unit namin kasi bigyan kami ng unit for review. Well, I guess baka yun ang gagamitin namin. So I'm here with the Instax Mini Liplay. Check it out, yo. It's very handy. It looks like a point and shoot camera. Actually, this is only a display unit, no? But I have the original unit sa bag ko, pero di ko pa siya nabubuksan. Siguro for our activity, I need to try this. And let's take some shots. Let's take a photo. Photo na may audio. Check it out, yo. But this is on the camera. Pag-aralan lang ngayon natin kung paano ito gagamitin, ha? Okay, let's do it. So here it is, the Instax Mini Liplay. Kaya narinig ko yung boses ko, no? Video vlog check. So sana narinig ko yung boses ko. So I'm very ready to try the Instax Mini Liplay. So binigyan nila ako ng mga photo frame para doon ko ilalagay yung mga entries namin. So I had si Jo. Ayan si Jo. She's trying.
I am legit like a TV news anchor right now.
Ayan. Kayo nagre-report ng live for What's Up PA. Kasi, bakit? Kasi what is up? So ayan. She's already loading the tama. She's loading the film. So, ang about the reaction niya doon sa unang-unang lalabas na film. Wait lang. Ano on yun? So, ayan na. Ayan.
What's up?
Yeah!
Instax Mini Liplay.
Magpapapicture na tayo.
Oh, yung sa inyo lang, unbox na lang mamaya kasi mo.
Okay, so ito na. I'll try the 9 photos na. Maybe portrait kasi naka-frame eh. Frame daw. So kailangan picture ko na lang. Picture ko na lang. Marami tayong photographer dito so magpapapicture tayo. Magpapicture! Pa-picture! Oh my God! Oh! Connect ka muna mala sa Bluetooth bago gamitin. So here's Jo. So ipiprint niya yung kanyang photo using the Instax Liplay. So eto na siya.
So the difference between the Instax Mini Liplay from the previous predecessor is that it's a hybrid camera. So it's digital and analog at the same time. Digital meaning you can capture the image and it's going to be saved in an SD card. And it's analog, so if you want to print out your shots, you can just do so like this. Whoa.
So nagpiprint na siya. It's printing. Ayun! So technically, you can shoot first, print later.
Yes.
Not the ordinary Instax na when you shoot, print na.
It prints right away.
So you can select muna some photos before printing.
Yes.
Oh, so ayan.
So we have one shot.
So ayan. Thank you, Jo. Magaling ka pa, mag-print ka pa. Mamaya na. So I just finished using the Instax Mini Liplay. Medyo nagkaroon ako ng konting problema. First, lompat yung camera. Nag-charge pa ako. Tapos pangalawa, naghihirapan ako mag-connect sa Bluetooth kasi siguro may need to i-master ko pa yung Bluetooth connection niya. Yun yung problema kasi kailangan kasi mag-connect yung camera doon sa phone mo para pag nag-upload sila ng audio, sa phone siya mag-upload. So it will connect to the smartphone para sa internet. So nakakatawa, no? Shoot now, print later, and then later add audio. Pwede ka mag-record. So sobrang ganda. So I'm very excited to try the QR code na may audio. Pero sa bahay na ako mag-upload ng audio para ma-generate yung QR code. I'm not really sure kung successful siya, but it's a challenge for me, no? Well, gawa pa tayo ng much more in-depth review. Kasi sa akin yung review unit nila. And let's play around with the Instax Mini Liplay dun sa bahay. So ayun, let's check it out, Jo. I'm here in Starbucks. Tapos na event din ako. Di ba tinapos yung concert ninyo yung Volante. So I'm here sa Starbucks to buy a pasalubong kay Lazy Ashton. So for Starbucks, I'll buy the flatbread, some chocolate donuts, and maybe some cinnamon Danish. So yeah, that's the end of my day, guys.
575 pesos. Una lang po.
Awesome. Huwag iinit ah.
Hindi na po. Thank you po.
Kasi pag ininit, pagdating sa bahay, ininit na naman. Hindi na masarap. Thank you. So that's the end of my day vlogging from morning to afternoon to evening. As you can see, I attended 3 events in one day. Oh my God, actually dapat maging 4 or 5. Dahil I'll miss the Serenity event, also the Remy Martan event in Discovery Premiere. Pero okay lang yun, I could still visit them. Pag may upcoming event, mas prefer ko sa South muna kasi mas malapit. At saka man dun sa may aking pakiramdam. Nakasakit ako ngayon eh. So, thank you guys for watching. No? Wala akong gana na ituro. I just showed you my day again. as a vlogger and YouTuber showcasing lifestyle, tech, and alam mo kanina, parang business and finance, parang gano'n. So, thank you guys for watching. So, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. And I'll see you at the next video vlog adventure. Alright. Tawag na tayo pangalan ko.